Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you workbench desk. This is adjustable. Let me go ahead and open the box. Let's check it out. Here is the first look. I'm going to go ahead and take them all out. These are what I have in the box, and we're going to go ahead and assemble them. I'm gonna put this one right over here and screw it. And this is the other one. I will go ahead and put this right over here. It's very easy to put it. This is gonna prevent slipping in these areas are adjustable.
Let's take this one. I think we need it. This one.
And we're gonna go ahead and put 3 screws over there for all corners. Here is the maximum height, 28 inches. And we can take this out and go ahead and see here is the minimum height, 21.5 inches. I put it in my room because I'm recording so many videos and I needed a stable desk. Whenever I touch it, it's not gonna move because of this. And the most important thing is I have 4 outlets and 2 USB-A's. It has a long cable, but I just needed this much. Now we're good. And this is on, off. Let's turn it on. There we go. That's awesome. And I'm using the charger like that. Here we have another USB-A input to charge my devices. This is very sturdy and very stable. You are able to adjust the height. It's because of the rubber legs, it's not moving at all. If you have metal hangers, you can use it right there. You have some holes, correct? And there, and there. You can use it however you like. I can definitely suggest this product. As you can see, you can use these holes, and this is very stable. And this is adjustable. We were able to use the outlets here and 2 USB-A inputs. Definitely suggest it.